Elephants. Now, do you want to see some examples of the animal world? Biggest and one of their most notable qualities is their attachment to one another. Self-sacrifice and helpfulness are not reserved for family members, but are to be seen among the whole herd. A hot summer day in Africa. Elephants are continually on the move to find food and water. A lake has begun to dry up, and it is the only source of water in the area. It is a bit harder for this baby elephant, whose trunk is still small. He has to really bend down far to reach the water. An adult elephant bumps the baby elephant by mistake, and the baby falls into the pool. If the baby is not rescued right away, it will be buried in the mud and will be in danger of dying. There is no time to lose. The mother elephant kneels down and reaches into the pool. She puts her trunk under her baby and tries to pull him out. Other elephants come on the scene and join her, trying to pull the youngster out of the hole. And a patient rescue operation begins. The hole is quite deep, so some of the elephants dig around the circumference of the hole to make it easier to reach the baby. Finally, the tiny elephant is saved. Every elephant in the herd comes up to the baby and smells it with their trunks. The bond among members of the herd and their helpfulness saved the youngster's life. Amazing self-sacrifice in the animal world is one of the miracles of God's creation. In a verse of the Quran, God reveals, "And in your creation and all the creation are signs for people with certainty."